Hi guys, I'm Paul Jolly and today we're going to talk about the Mr. Meeky Mini Space Heater. The Mr. Meeky comes in 6 different colours or flavours. We have tomato or tomato, we have blueberry, we have classic black, we have wheat and wood, and we have grey oak and milk white. Okay, let's open the box and see what we have. This is the milky white one. This is my favourite. Who doesn't like milk? Let's open it up, see what we have. We have some instructions in maybe 6 languages. Very good. I'll put that there later. Okay, this is the milk white one. This is my favourite. It's all in gold. Very nice. I can see that there's the on-off and power settings here. It has the on-off for the rotation. It has the safety switch on the bottom. It's got the US power cable, and it is between 120 and 240 volt, and it is 1200 watts. Is what I prepared earlier. We'll turn it on, and you can see straight away this is the natural air. So a nice little blue LED to signify the blue air. Turn it on, and it starts to rotate 50 degrees. Turn it on again, and it's a purple LED, and I can feel the heat straight away. Within 2 seconds we have the heat. Final setting, which is the power setting, and I can really feel the heat now. And I noticed it's nice and quiet, so it's got a nice little handle here for easy movement, and it's nice and small for any environment, whether it's by your bed or by your office or wherever you're a little bit cold. So that's the Mr. Meeky Mini Space Heater. You can go in all sorts of environments. If you want to find out more about the Mr. Meeky Mini Space Heater, have a look at the links below and find out more information. And thank you very much for following our channel, and come back for more reviews. And don't forget to click the like button. Thank you very much.